Don't look at me, work.
Right.
Keep it on high, baby.
Keep it on what?
Keep it on high, baby.
Right, I'm done.
There you go, there. Keep it on high.
Welcome back to Keep It On High. I'm here again shooting this new build construction home for capstone construction. First, let's take a look at the lot, see where they are, and then we'll dive into the concrete prep. Road's clear, lot is leveled and graded and cleaned off, and now they're going to get ready to start prepping for the concrete pour. Be sure to check out my page, like and subscribe to see the next step, the concrete pour. You don't want to miss it. It's pretty dope. My first time shooting a construction build like this, and check it out from my point of view as the drone pilot filming this project.